Hi y'all, it's Tammy, and I thought I'd show you a couple of pairs of shoes that I just got and I'm excited about. So I found these at Kohl's. I got these wedges, which I love wedges. I think they're just really comfortable, and I thought these were really cute, and I thought that they would go with a lot of things. They'd even go with what I have on today. So I thought those were adorable. And then I didn't want to get black and everything, so that was another reason why I thought, ooh, well, this is a good neutral color, but it's not black. So I got those. And these were, I think, $25. So very cute. And then I got these, which of course are black, but I thought they were really cute with the little zip on the side. And they had open toes so that, you know, I can still wear them in the summer, I think. I mean, I don't know. I'm not some big fashion person, but I don't know why I couldn't wear these in the summertime. Other than the fact that they're suede. Is that not summery? I don't know. But I will try these on before I take the tag off. But they should fit. They're a size 10, yes. And that is my size. So I am liking these. And these are Ortho Light, so these are supposed to be extra comfortable. They're by Sonoma. And this is So brand, just so you know that. And then I got one more pair, and this is for my child, Mr. Bigfoot. My son wears a size 13, but I got him these shower shoes. Ooh, that's hard to say. For college, and he's going to IU, which the colors are red and white, so these should fit him just fine. These are Kawa shower shoes, and they have little holes in the bottom so that, you know, they're easily dried, and I think that they are non-slip on the bottom, and yeah, they should work out well. So that is nice. This, I guess, sometimes they're hung up. I don't know. But I think he'll like those. So that is what I got. So thanks for watching, guys. And check out Kohl's if you're interested in some shoes. They have some really cute ones. Bye-bye.